Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to edit list of app limits and screen time on iPhone X. But first, gotta subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the app limits. Then in the app limits, click the applications that you were added on the list. Then after that, in the social application, go to categories, apps and website section, then click the edit list. Then after that, you can add the applications that you want in this part by putting a check mark on the small circle on the side. And if you're done, just click add on the upper corner of the screen. Then your applications is now added or edit. And that's it. We have successfully edit list of app limits and screen time on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.